Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will click. After that, in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but be attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So in the end you will go to Play Store and then you can search about the application to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.